Alright, so I'm going to be changing the propeller, or the impeller, on the ballast pump. This is the model number. So I used the Phillips and a 8mm socket. Phillips, there's 4 screws, well, 2 on each. And then the 8mm is for this. The hose fell right here. So you just pull these off, make sure you remember which one goes where. So I just slid them off these 2 edges. I disconnected it. I'm gonna take it out and do it on the deck. It's a little easier out there than in here. So these are the screws with the washers. Alright, so just make sure you use the genuine stuff. Don't buy the cheap stuff, it's not gonna last you. So this is the brand name stuff. I paid, I think, like $24 for this one. They have different ones, they have a green one. So I think this is the basic one. Just make sure you match it up to the model you have because they're all different. Alright, so we removed the 3 Phillips screws. Right there. Took this cover off, and this is the impeller inside. The one we did before, the fins were ripped apart, it was just dry rotted basically. And this one's not too bad, but we're gonna throw it away. We're just gonna replace it. Alright, so new impeller comes with the tube of grease. You're gonna need to use the grease. And one of the O-rings. Just make sure you match it up so it's the same as yours. Okay, so just make sure you line it up properly. There's a flat surface on this the shaft. Just gotta make sure you lock it in. So once you line up the flat side with the flat side of the propeller, or the impeller will slide in. So it's the lubricant, the impeller lubricant. Now rotate it by hand, just so you can spread it out everywhere. I'm gonna do a little bit more. Alright, so we'll put the whole tube in there.
Сейчас эту резиночку смажем тоже.
I'm gonna put some of the lubricant on the O-ring as well. And yours, if yours is falling apart, just kind of look through everything, see if there's any pieces left over.
Будь.
Okay, just make sure you tighten it. Alright, so here it is installed. I had to use the previous holes. So the previous, whoever did this job, they kind of did it shitty. I just didn't want to drill any new holes. So I just left it like this. So just make sure you connect it. And that's it.